At Sterling Industries, we're here to help innovators innovate, from initial design through to mass production. As an experienced medical device contract manufacturer, we've seen what it takes to get from napkin sketch to global distribution. We help our clients design their product and their path for success.
The earlier you start working with skilled partners who share your long-term goals, the faster you can move through product development and get your medical device to market.
It's how Sterling helps our team strength in design for manufacturing, solution-focused engineering, as well as regulatory and quality management help you develop your product faster with fewer headaches.
We have a lot of experience managing the path to regulatory approval. Compliance and quality have to be part of our design thinking from day one.
Every new medical device starts with a new idea, a better way to treat patients. The beginning of that design journey is always a long way from the end, an approved shipping product. It's a journey that goes best when you're working with experienced partners. From the simple solutions to today's sensor and software-driven devices and single-use implantables, we're here to help our clients on their way. At Sterling, we're not just manufacturers, we're your partners in bringing innovative medical solutions to life.